pleasing do this look. Like, it's like so...
30K is crazy!
I don't wanna speak, understand what I need is cold. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means?
What it do, YouTube? It's your girl, Chatty Shay, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So first of all, y'all, let's get down to the basics. Do not drive and vlog, okay? Unless you have a device where you don't have to, hold on to. But yeah, don't do this and drive. Also, do not look at my nails. Don't pay too close of attention to my nails, y'all, because we getting ready to go on vacation, so we holding out on nails in here. However, we have to go to Ulta Beauty before we go on vacation to pick up some little essentials. Okay, so that's what we're doing. Also, I'm going to be including this at-home portion of the video in this video. Okay, let me explain this again. I went to at home yesterday and I vlogged, and it's going to be a part of this vlog, so I'm going to insert that footage somewhere in here after we finish with Ulta Beauty, okay? Anyway, y'all, so yes, Ulta Beauty is the goal of obviously we're going to get some skincare stuff, because y'all not going to believe the fact that I've started this vlog 3 times. I've started this vlog 3 times and have not finished it. So the first time I started it, a family emergency came up. I had to scrap the footage. I tried to start it like 2 days ago. Another emergency, had to scrap the footage. And here we are again on day 3. Okay. And I did record some footage yesterday. I just can't use the beginning part of the footage, but I'm going to insert my at-home footage in here. But anyway, how y'all doing? I know it's been a minute, y'all. Your girl, it's school. School is beating me down. School is beating me down, y'all. But it's okay because we're almost done. We're almost at the finish line. We have an end goal, and I can see it. I can feel it. So yeah, school is almost done. So once school is done, we're gonna be back way more consistent. It's not like I'm completely abandoning y'all. It's just that the videos aren't as consistent because of school. So please work with me. Work with me, okay? I appreciate y'all so much. But yeah, y'all, we on a roll to 30K. 30K is crazy. We on a road to 30K, y'all. So yes, thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. Although y'all don't comment on the videos, I do appreciate y'all. And I have to get over because people be driving crazy in the streets. Okay, but anyway, y'all, we are on our way to Ulta Beauty, and I'm super excited because I have been trying to go to Ulta Beauty for a few weeks now and have not been successful. So Ulta Beauty is the goal. So when we get to Ulta Beauty, I'm gonna come back and show you what we'll be here for. Again, do not be looking at my nails. Do not be looking at my nails. Like from a distance, they look okay. But when you get up close, baby, they is bad. So don't be looking at my nails. Alright, y'all. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get to Ulta Beauty. Okay, y'all. We are here at Ulta Beauty. We here at Ulta Beauty, y'all. So y'all know we only came here to get a few things. So let's hope we stick to the plan, okay? Because the goal is not to spend a bag today on Ulta Beauty. So let's see. This gum is so good. Alright, y'all. Let's see. Y'all know we here for. Oh, I heard this was good. This is good. Well, we here for this. We here for ordinary foaming cleanser. Do we do the foaming cleanser? I think we do. We here for this. And we need some serums. Hold on, y'all. So I found the soap that I need, the cleanser, but my daughter uses CeraVe. So I'm probably going to get a CeraVe cleanser. Yeah, I have to see which one I think she gets like this blue one, yeah. Okay, you guys, we got our bag. We're leaving Ulta Beauty, walking back to the car. So we did really good in Ulta Beauty, y'all. So there were some things I wanted to pick up that I did not pick up. I was like, no, we're not going to do it. But we are going to go to Dollar Tree because I saw some face masks in Ulta that Dollar Tree now sells. So we're going to go to Dollar Tree to get these face masks because I really want them. So we'll be back. Alright, y'all, we here at Dollar Tree now. We only here for some eye patches, so let's see how this work out. Yeah, look at this cuticle remover. Like, what? Baby, what? What, baby? Oh my. This is giving Kylie Jenner. Oh my God. I'm here for the eye patches, y'all. Remember, we here for eye patches. I gotta find me. Hold on. Oh my God. This is so stinking cute. Like, what? This is great for, like, having in your bag for when you're when you're about to get your cycle. If you're unsure, just a have. So dope. Alright, y'all, so here go all of these face patches or whatever you want to call these face masks. So these are like, y'all, these are brand. So we get this. This is a brand, great one. This one is also good, but I think I liked this one better. These are trash. Do not get these trash. But like this Miss Spy one is really, really great, y'all. And I'm gonna try another one. So let me see, cupcake face mask with hyaluronic acid, vanilla. Okay, let's try this one too. And I think I need some eye patches, y'all. I'm getting like baggy eyes, so if I can find some of those, I'm gonna get some of those. But like, what? Oh, I need some shampoo. I need shampoo too, y'all. They have a great shampoo here. It's probably in the other aisle. I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so we leaving Dollar Tree. Yes, we got more than what we came for, but it's okay. So we are off to the home we go. Alright, y'all, so we are at home, and like, I'm in here for a specific thing, okay? I'm in here, I need 2 accent pictures, and I need a pillow. However, y'all, when you come in here, you always spend more than you're supposed to spend. Like, look at this, clearance up to 50%. Over here is up to 75%. Like, look, how could you not spend like, and then like, this is so cute. It doesn't go with my home, but it's really, really cute. Oh, but this is cute. Oh, she's cute too, y'all. Okay, so, ooh, okay, hold on, see? Wrong reasons. I love this. Oh my God, it says 50% off. So look, y'all, it's $37, and half of 37 is what? Okay, y'all do the math. That's how much it costs. Okay, this is cute too for $25. Half of 50 is $25. Okay, y'all do the math. All right, y'all. So we got it. Okay, let's get them over here, cause we're gonna get in trouble. Oh, but wait. But wait, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love this store. This is one of my favorite stores. I think between this store and Hobby Lobby, yeah. Oh my gosh, this is too cute. But you probably can make this. Okay, it's really, really cute. All right, y'all, let's focus on what we came for. Oh, but this is cute too. Y'all know they have something similar to this at Dollar Tree, but it hangs on your door. It's been a long week, me in the middle of Tuesday. Okay, y'all. That's a cute sign, but we're not here for this. So let's focus on what we're here for. 50% off. 50% off. We here for some artwork. I need 2 pieces of art, but if I can find 1 piece that look like this, then we're gonna go with it. But I'm here for 2 pieces of art. I have something similar to this in one of my bathrooms already. I love this. Alright, y'all, let me oh, we over here in some greenery. Okay, because your house could always use greenery, but oh, this is cute. Oh, I love this. I literally just redid greenery in my home. Alright, y'all, let me get the picture. We gonna be back. How pleasing do this look? Like, it is like so nice. Yeah, I finally made it to the pillows. Don't judge me, judge your mama. But like, look how aesthetically pleasing this is. Like, chef's kiss. But this isn't the section that I belong in, because it's like gray and silver. But I'm looking for a different shaped pillow. Don't want your basic square pillow, but gray, black, silver are the colors. So I'm looking for something like this. Maybe. We will see. But like, why do the silver section look like this? Oh, okay, this is better. Okay, let me walk down here. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so we are leaving at home. I'm walking out with my bag here. Walking out with my bag to the car. All right, y'all, so I made a stop at the mall and I got some shrimp and broccoli, y'all. Oh my, ooh, child, look at that. And then I also got some Caribbean food. This over here is Caribbean food, which I can't access, right? But I bought a pillow and I bought a garbage can from At Home, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm back home. I'm getting ready to end the vlog. I'm going to add all the clips together and hopefully we have a cohesive vlog. Anyway, thank y'all for all y'all support. Love y'all, love y'all, love y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend what your girl is doing on this channel. Until next time, bye, y'all.